Hello kids, welcome back to Max class. Today we will learn about the regrouping in multiplication. Okay kids, let's start the class. Let's see the first example. The class library stand has 3 shelves. Each shelf has 14 books. The question is, how many books are in the class library? We know that first we will write the given numbers in their correct places and then multiply the ones column. 4 into 3. Now which table we can use for this sum? Third table. Very good. Tell it now. Let's join with me. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Here 12 ones. Regrouping a 10 to 10 ones. So 12 ones is the same as 1 10 and 2 ones. Let's write the number 2 in the ones column. Then carry over 1 in the tens column. We have to multiply 1 into 3. Remember, when you multiply any number by 1, the answer is always that number. So, we will get the answer 1 into 3 equals 3. Let's add the tens. 3 tens plus 1 10 is equal to 4 tens. Let's write the number 4 in the tens column. Therefore, the answer is the class library has 42 books. Okay, let's see the next example. 48 into 2. Let's multiply the ones column. 8 into 2. Which table we can use for this sum? Second table. Very good. Tell it now. Join with me. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16. We will get the answer 16. Here 16 ones. We know that 16 ones is the same as 110 and 6 ones. Let's write the number 6 in the ones column and carry over 1 in the tens column. Now we have to multiply 4 into 2. We know that 4 into 2 equals 8. Here 8 tens and add the tens. 8 tens plus 1 10 is equal to 9 tens. Let's write the number 9 in the tens column. Therefore, the answer is 48 into 2 equals 96. Okay, let's see the next exercise. 24 into 3. Now we will multiply the ones column. 4 into 3. Let's think which table we can use for this sum. Third table. Very good. Tell it now. Join with me. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Here 12 ones. We know that 12 ones is the same as 110 and 2 ones. Let's write the number 2 in the ones column. Then carry over 1 in the tens column. Now we have to multiply 2 into 3. We know that 2 into 3 equals 6. Let's add the tens. 6 tens plus 1 10 is equal to 7 tens. Let's write the number 7 in the tens column. Therefore, the answer is 24 into 3 equals 72. Okay kids, thank you.